This is a pain in the butt, but it should look pretty good when it's done. We will see. Here's a new cage. It works right. Do something about that ugly thing there. I'm going to start with this. I got 2 sets of these body panels just to see what it's going to look like. We will see what we will see. Okay, I got the yellow and red in. I still got to cut that guy out and shoot it. It doesn't look like much from this side because you can see all the black marker there. But got to start somewhere, you know. No nuts, no guts, no glory. That's what I say. So once I get this one done, I'm gonna shoot this in probably a little golden yellow instead of red and yellow, and then I'll go ahead and put the black in and see what it looks like. See you later. Bye. Back later. Okay, that's my first attempt at putting some flames on. I used plain old yellow paint, nothing high tech, just some spare stuff I had laying around in the shop. Still got tape and stuff on it, as you can see, but I see how it's done, and so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and that'll be body number 1, and then I'll buy some of that quality paint and see what I can do with that, and go a little slower cutting the tape and whatnot. Alright, so that's what it looks like without the plastic and the extra masking tape. And this is actually done with automotive paint. I haven't bought any I hope you can't hear that plane. It's a C5 going over here to live on the landing pad for Warner Robins Air Force Base. Yeah. So I get my thumb back. I'm going to try cutting this out again. And on the other panel, I'm going to get some of the hobby paint the guys use on these, and instead of the automotive, nice brighter yellow, etc. And I used yellow and red in the front first coat, and then I blacked it all over. And, okie dokie. This is what we have so far. I spent the day with a razor blade. If I was allowed to drink, I'd have spent it with a bottle of Jack Daniels, cause this about killed me. I was watching that guy Chris on Hemi Storm, watching him cut flames. I'm like, that would look really nice, you know. And I gotta tell you, I got a new respect, because back in the late 1950s, 1960s, this stuff came in decals. You know, if you wanted it, you just soaked it in water, and then you had to peel it off with a needle and a toothpick and get it placed right, and that was all there was to it. Cutting this mess out of masking tape ain't nobody's joke. I got 2 more pieces to do. I've got the front end done. It's ready to go, except for the shocks. And the rear end is done. I've got to finish the epoxy paint job on it, but I'm not doing any aftermarkets on it, with the exception of the aluminum steering link for now. I want to experience it out of the box and how it runs, with the exception of the steering. I hate sloppy steering. I just can't get with that. So that's the only piece I'm actually going to upgrade. And then over time, as I like this or don't like that, because I don't want my Yeti to look like everybody else's, you know. You know, that's why I went through all the trouble of doing that. You know, my flames, ain't nobody got my flames because I cut them. As stupid looking as they is, they mine. Colors off. It's not the same. This side's lighter than the other. That's what you get messing around with automotive paint, doing something you ain't never done before. But what's done is done. On to the next two pieces. When I cut the flames for the hood and the top, they'll get sprayed at the same time so that they match, be side by side. So that's it for the Yeti build. And back to the drawing board. I've been pretty much cloistered up since I cut my hand because I got sick going to the hospital of all places. Go figure. Anywho, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay warm. We'll be talking to you. Thanks for watching.